Hello, my dear friends. How are you? I hope you are fine. And in this video, I'm going to tell you a motivational story, okay, that will change your thoughts. And the moral of the story is that failure is not just the end, but it's the stepping stone towards the success, okay. So, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, okay. It will be your help, okay, and I always be grateful to you. So just I'm going to start the story. This is the story of a boy, and in a small village there was a boy named Sohan, okay, and he was passionate about his paintings. His dream was to be a renowned artist, okay. He would spend hours and days sketching and painting, but his work was far away from impressive. So one day Sohan heard about a famous artist, Mr. Patel, who lived in a nearby town. So that's why Sohan determined to learn from the best. That's why he gathered the courage and set off to meet him. And when he arrived Mr. Patel's house, nervously he gathered courage and went to him and showed his paintings, his work. And Mr. Patel carefully examined his paintings and told him that inside his painting lack depth, emotions, technique. But he told him that I see your passion and dedication. If you are willing to learn, then definitely I will teach you. So Sohan agreed without hesitation. From that day onwards, he became Mr. Patel's apprentice, and he woke up early and practiced tirelessly and absorbed every bit of knowledge. And Mr. Patel told him, shared him a knowledge that success is not just immediate. You will have to face countless failures, okay. But Sohan worked very hard that no one can just imagine. But the people's critics dismissed him. Despite these setbacks, Sohan kept painting, improving with each brushstroke, and he remembered Mr. Patel's words that success is a journey, not a destination. Years passed, and one day Sohan received an invitation to showcase his work at a prestigious art exhibition. His paintings, filled with emotions and depth, and left the audience in awe. Critics praised him, and his artwork sold for high prices. Sohan's story spread far and wide, inspiring countless others to pursue their dreams to determination. He learned that failure is not the just end but a stepping stone towards the success. The moral of the story is a part of journey to success. Okay, Sohan's persistence and willingness to learn from the failures eventually led him to achieve his dream of becoming a renowned artist, showing that with the dedication and residence anyone can turn failure to success. So my dear friends, you heard this story, and really this is a motivational story, this is a moral story that can change the life of every man. If you have failed in any competition in your life, then my dear friends, don't be sad, okay. Fail means F stands for first, A stands for attempt, I stands for in, and L stands for learning. First attempt in learning. My dear friends, if you have failed, it means that you have started learning. Okay. So don't be sad, my dear friends. Okay. And if you want to get daily thought of the day, such moral stories, then why are you waiting for? Subscribe my YouTube channel and you will receive the notification every day. Okay. And if you like such types of moral thoughts, moral videos, then please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos. Okay. Thank you.